The accum command is used to calculate a running total or cumulative sum of a numeric field across multiple events. It helps analyze progressive values over time by adding each event's field value to the sum of all previous events. The primary purpose of accum is to create cumulative calculations. It computes a running total for a specified numeric field, allowing users to track trends in cumulative metrics across ordered events. The syntax of the accum command includes the field to accumulate and an optional alias for the output field. The field specifies which numeric data to process, and the alias names the new field holding the running sum. A typical example involves using accum followed by the field name and an alias. For instance, running the command accum sales as running_sales will calculate the running total of sales and store it in a new field called running_sales. In a practical search processing language query, sales data is aggregated with the stats command, sorted by date, and then accum is applied to calculate cumulative sales over time. This sequence enables detailed cumulative reporting. When using accum, ensure events are sorted correctly to maintain accurate cumulative results. The command updates the running total incrementally with each event. Renaming the cumulative field improves clarity, and combining accum with other commands allows complex analyses. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.